prawn koli vada?
Yeah, prawn koli vada. So a little bit of Bombay you should see, a little bit of travel you should see, and a little bit of Punjab you also see. You know, my style of doing kulcha. Just slow, pull it up, aram se, aram se, aram se.
Ah, you gotta pull that cheese up, huh?
My God. One of the best pizza.
Yeah, that's a big umami hit. So you can see the color of the meat in this is black. That's the speciality of the Kadaknath chicken. The flavor is rather deep and the texture, with that gelatinous sort of smack. The smack that you get when you taste some pratas.
I think the words what you're using is perfect.
The hoth jo chipakte hai, that's the sort of gelatinous smack that you get when you taste this Kadaknath chicken. How are you?
How are you?
Good, yeah.
What is this now? This is like scary now.
This is secret camera. Very nice. Completely transformed it. Oh, that's your bar.
Yes, please.
So all your taps are here. Nice. You opened it up entirely. So tell me, what's the food here at Hop's House like?
So this is a bit global. We have a lot of dishes from tandoor, a lot of dishes which are component in.
Prawn koli vada?
Yeah, prawn koli vada. So a little bit of Bombay you should see, a little bit of travel you should see, and a little bit of Punjab you also see. You know, my style of doing kulcha.
There's something cheesy also in this?
Yes, there is feta.
Feta.
And a bit of grana padano. Cheese is making the difference.
You have that basil and the nuts, of course, but I think it's the cheese, huh? The grana padano gives it that slight salty. And then some veggies. Broccoli. There's some broccoli there. Oh.
ये हमारे यहाँ का आलू कुलचा है. छोटा सा आलू कुलचा, which is just come from the oven, and a little bit of spices on top. तो जो पंजाब की spices हैं वो तो आते रहते हैं.
So these are the individually mixed rolls. The batter is quite nice. Pull apart buns.
Yeah, it's a pull apart cheese.
Cheese. Lot of garlic on top.
This is our cheesy garlic kulcha.
So what do you call this? Amritsari kulcha
No,
only.
we don't call it Amritsari kulcha.
Achha, you're playing it safe. You're playing it safe.
Not playing it safe. It is a take on Amritsari kulcha.
इसमें अनार डाला है. Oh, very nice.
मसाले हैं ऊपर.
Ah,
A little bit extra masala over there.
it has that achari flavor.
Saltiness, I would say. That it's a paratha masala,
Paratha masala.
which is going on top.
You know क्या याद आ रहा है ऐसा eat this? आप पराठे के साथ अचार खाते हो तो वो combined flavor क्या आता है? No?
Just have to use the curd, that's it.
Ah,
Then
so loaded with aloo, huh?
Yes.
Very good, huh?
This is actually a comfort food, a real good food for us. I love it.
So we're at Hop's House with Chef Vikas, my friend. We're not here for a review. I just have bought the camera along. I'll share some of the things that I'm tasting here. Ever since Chef opened this, he's wanted us to come over. So we've come today as his friends, not as customers. Finally, I'm glad we did this.
Yes. It's been pending for quite some time.
So how old is Hop's House now?
2 months.
2 months. So Hop's House is a tap room.
Yes, it's a tap room. So you have this. So these are the bread pillows. Yes.
Bread pillows.
And then you have the special of the day, edamame hummus, done for you.
Edamame hummus.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes. Now go for it. Let's see. And slowly you have to be a little bit slow. Just slow. Pull it up. Aram se, aram se, aram se.
Ah. You gotta pull that cheese up, huh?
This is like my kind of, the pizza, remember, is the
Yes.
stuffed crust pizza.
Yes. It can actually go on and on if you go slow with it. Because it's getting solid as it hits the environment.
Love it. My God.
It's all baked fresh.
Yeah, it's baked on order.
So you prove it and keep it.
It takes almost an hour actually. This exercise is 1 hour. So when I know you're coming, so I proved it in beforehand.
So it's a very casual sort of.
Yes.
I quite like this. This cheese thing is
one more.
fantastic. You had one more. And I also like that paratha. I mean, maybe it's the fact that we just come from Amritsar, but I like that थोड़ा अचारी फ्लेवर है उसमें. अगर आप पराठे के साथ थोड़ा अचार छू लो उसको और फिर खाओ दही के साथ, वैसा फ्लेवर है. मतलब ब्रेड उतना थिक नहीं है. ये आटे का है कि मैदा है? आटे का है. What have the pita?
Because the cheese is actually oozing out now. If I push it, it'll start to ooze out from there.
Ah.
And normally it will not break also. But yeah, after a certain time when you want to eat, you have to break it.
So
it's not breaking only. Now it's solid.
Yeah.
Now this is like the candy. This is a cheese candy.
I love the edamame. इसमें क्या? Some truffle oil.
Yes.
Ah, there's some truffle oil in this. You want some?
No, I'm done.
Edamame, your favorite?
I like the beans, the edamame beans.
Ah, she likes the edamame in the unprocessed form.
Excellent. This is too good.
So you have to eat this pocket
Yes.
really hot
As it comes,
as it comes.
you go from there. Yeah.
काला नमक है.
Actually, this is our chaat masala and black salt.
You want one more of this?
No. I'm done. I cannot eat any more. Whatever chefs can.
Yeah. I'm going to have it with slightly less cheese, which is slightly impossible.
You need to press it out.
But I'm going to taste it with that. The edamame dip is quite nice. Huh?
And with that I tasted it's very nice.
Yeah.
It is such a pleasant surprise kind of a thing.
I like that paratha very much.
Yeah.
I like this edamame dip a lot. The prawns are okay. I don't care much for the IQF prawns. And this cheese pull-out bread is super. And you got to eat it hot. So this is just a fun sort of a vlog. Don't have too many expectations from this. This is not a review. This is catching up with a friend. And there's some music that's also blaring. So I hope I don't get a copyright strike on that. But I like the atmosphere of this place, no? It's very lively. There's the light that comes in. It's completely open. There's no windows. So you've got the breeze that comes in, and I think it's got a lovely sort of a setting here. So you've got some foliage from the outside, and then they've accented it with these 4 plants that are hanging, trailing from the ceiling. So this space has a nice, happy vibe to it. Ah, so there's some onion rings, potatoes.
Yeah.
What is the peri-peri spice? क्या है उसमें?
This is a house Cajun.
House Cajun.
And then you have the 6
What is
different-
that?
These are the sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes.
Yes.
And then you have all the dips.
Yeah.
I hope we don't have too much food actually.
No, very light after.
Very light. When the
like
chef
even
tells you very light, you
means you know it's
मतलब
just few pieces.
ज़्यादा light नहीं होगा वो.
I have not served a single dish, a single normal portion. ये भी छोटा करवा के दिया.
So normally 2 कुलचे आते हैं उसमें.
नहीं एक ही आता है थोड़ा सा बड़ा.
थोड़ा बड़ा आता है. But this is normal, right?
This is normal.
What do you call this?
This is the pull apart.
Pull
garlic-
apart
Yeah.
garlic bread. And that you call the
Aloo kulcha.
aloo kulcha. And this is the koli vada prawn.
And then you have this bread pillows,
Bread pillows.
which is done live for you.
Like,
And,
okay. That's a pita basically.
It's a pita pillows. And first one was the cone.
First one was the
Ah,
cone.
that was so good.
That was very good. The fact that you put some grana padano in
Extra
that.
cheese.
And extra cheese. The pesto is nice, so the basil and of course the nuts. It doesn't really matter too much in that scheme of things, whether it's a pine nut or you put akroot or the walnut.
Correct, correct.
But you know,
Minor. Yes, I agree with you, minor. But there is a difference. Actually, the nuttiness is so different. If you see,
in a pine nut it has a slight sweetness to it. Akroot में उतना नहीं है.
it's a dense. It's a dense.
Yeah, it's more nutty. So we're catching up after how long?
मुझे तो लगता है कि after COVID first time.
नहीं यार.
I
Yeah.
never met you in between.
Really? But I think we've spoken.
Digitally, yes.
Oh.
We never missed each other. I called you enough times, so you know.
Correct.
And whenever we speak, we just go on.
Yeah, we have at least a 30-minute conversation each time.
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया चेंज हो गई है वाकई. फिर लगता है नहीं वैसे ही है.
And I think we've all become used to this now. No? I mean, it's like we know, okay, this is what life is now. So do the best that you can.
Yeah, accept it, yeah.
Accept it. This is a
Say
reality.
nothing.
Absolutely. और क्या कर सकते हो आप? हाँ? Sweet potato fries, very good. Huh?
And try the onions. I love the onions. This is a way better. You get that extra crunchiness.
In Amritsar, we saw the sweet potato also.
Very nice.
They boil it and
Road पे, on the कोयला.
Shakarkandi.
Shakarkandi. They that's like.
I was very tempted to eat it.
Another thing, during this time you also get the water chestnut fresh.
Singara. This is a Mumbai style keema pav.
How the small.
So you make these paws?
Yes. So the portion has more. I give you again less.
So a normal portion will be how many of these? 6 paws.
And the meat will be slightly more. What do you like,
I
friend?
think I won't have that.
Okay.
I'm good.
एक तो पी लो यार.
Or maybe do you do like a cocktail with
Oh
beer?
yes.
So I do-
Then you have the signature cocktail.
Yeah.
Yeah. The signature cocktail. What do you?
What is the signature cocktail? Sorry?
Asian gimlet.
Asian gimlet. So what do you add in that?
Vodka, we have a secret syrup.
Secret
No,
syrup.
no, I want-
secret syrup. Okay, you can ask.
Secret syrup.
You can ask on that.
Okay. So it's vodka based.
It's vodka based.
Some keema with some mini paws. This is reminding me of the Mumbai wala Irani keema pav. हाँ मक्खन मार के है पाव में.
एक्चुअली वहाँ पे बॉम्बे में ना काफ़ी सारी जगह पे नाइट में आपको ये कीमा पाव मिलेगा, पाव भाजी मिलेगी.
Because there's a lot more oil that the keema is floating in, तो वो टेस्ट नहीं है यहाँ पे. You obviously cut down the oil and all of that. हाँ?
हमने कम कर दिया.
कम कर दिया. But very tasty. And what I like is that the keema एकदम पिसा हुआ नहीं है. When you eat keema, you should taste the
A little bit of texture.
little bit of texture होना है. A good keema is a lot of onions, no? The base. Onion, the garam masala, the red chili powder, and you have to get some peas every now and then. No?
That is.
I know, I can see that. I can taste the peas.
That is the Asian gimlet. It's a very light, refreshing afternoon drink.
Yeah, light, refreshing afternoon drink. Thank you. You don't have it in the chef?
मुझे भी ना वापस जाना.
And there's some lemongrass in this. Right? You also put some lime leaf. There's this lime. Kaffir lime. Very refreshing.
Then you be the meat with also I went and there's a light.
Keema is very good. Keema
This
pav.
place actually.
But I like the format of the food that you have here. So it's very snackable, right? So it's like the sort of food that allows for conversation, right? So whether it's that keema pav with those tiny little paws, but look, all the dishes that we've tasted so far, apart from the taste, what I'm saying is the presentation is interesting. Like the cheese pulao, the pullaways, you know, when you aate hi table pe thoda halla mat jayega. Right?
Yeah, that's a crowd pleaser.
Crowd pleaser.
Definitely. You can say that again.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's how you've done the menu for this place.
Kept it, you can say, beer friendly
Beer friendly.
as much as possible. But yeah, it is easy going. It's a comfort food in the end of the day. It's nothing complicated as such.
And I think sometimes you want to do that, right? You
Yeah.
want to just go to a space and just not think too much about what's happening. You don't want to think so much, "ठीक है, क्या खाने वाला हूँ?" You just kind of say, okay, fine, let's order a few of this.
Yes.
So it's like comfort food.
It's quite relaxing. Yeah. It's like chilling. Just you can just chill here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's chilled out food.
Served hot.
Yeah.
The menu is like quite extensive, no?
I feel it's quite compact, but if you're saying extensive,
No,
I'm very
meaning,
happy.
what I mean is that you've got different flavors, no?
Yes, yes.
So although it's
let's
compact,
start. It starts from like, you have a section of pizza. So then, you do this
appetizers.
fries, roulette, then the pita pillows, then the cones, pull apart garlic bread. Samosa, that's my take on samosa. We do 2 pieces. Acha. Veg.
Let's try. Since we are here.
Yes. So there is a version of chili paneer. Paneer is very different.
Yeah.
I think you should try that also. It's not a normal paneer.
No.
This is paneer from the land of
From Punjab.
paneer like that. But the flavors are Asian.
Ah, that's our pizza.
Yes. So this is our favorite pizza.
Mushroom.
Yes, mushroom and brie. And
Oh, I can smell the aroma of that. Yeah,
the
right
truffle
here.
oil. Just a drops of truffle oil.
The truffle oil is become like a perfume now. Like how people wear perfume, you're putting truffle oil on everything.
I'm keeping at the table very soon
Huh? Truffle oil.
in the spray bottle.
And that of course is the brie.
Yes.
So this is the mushroom and brie pizza. How's it? Huh?
Very good.
Yeah. Mushroom and brie. There's plenty of truffle oil that I can smell. The moment he brought the pizza to the table, you can smell the truffle oil.
One of the best pizza.
Yeah. That pizza is soft. It's a sort that almost disintegrates. It's a thin crust and it's bearing the burden of all that mushroom. There's some sort of a sauce that's the base for the pizza. And there's plenty of the brie, the cheese. That's literally causing that pizza to flop over. That's a big umami hit. Excellent. It's nice to see a chef eat his own food.
कभी कभी मुझे ऐसे डाउट होता है कि शायद मैंने अपने लिए मेन्यू तो नहीं बनाया.
अपने लिए मेन्यू नहीं बनाया.
You know, I like this कुलचा, I like this कोली वाला. जो भी मुझे चाहिए वही मैंने मेन्यू
वही बनाया. So that's good. No, so दिल लगा के बनाया मेन्यू आपने. We'll go for it. You want this tree with the brie? भारी है एकदम. You have to literally probably fold this edge inside.
Yeah, this is the
Otherwise you lose the edge of the pizza. You lose the truffle oil and you lose all that mushroom and brie. You have to fold the pizza, tuck it in.
It's too good.
Once you've eaten a couple of slices of it, so although there's not too much of the flour in the base,
yes.
you can
It's
certainly
very thin,
feel the weight
very,
of
very
the...
thin crust, and the topping is double the base. See the mushroom, the brie, the raw mushroom spread.
So is this one of your popular pizzas?
Yes, most popular.
Most popular pizzas. I think today we've eaten a lot of vegetarian as well, right?
We've been talking about that, no?
And I'm enjoying it. Keema, the prawn, I think that's the only non-vegetarian that I eat.
Now the kadaknath he's going to try, and you're going to try.
The
That's
kadaknath
chicken.
chicken, the black
That's
chicken.
coming. Yes.
So chef, where's the kadaknath chicken from?
This is actually from the farms around Bangalore itself. Of course, originally from MP.
Okay.
And we give our twist to it. We make like a Punjabi dhaba style with the onion tomato gravy and with our, not a secret, but yes, our own garam masala, which has a little bit sweet notes in the end with the rose petals.
Rose petals.
Yes.
So is that a very common thing, the rose petal? I mean, of course, the idea is to what? Perfume the masala slightly?
Not really perfume, just to balance the flavor sometimes because you have harsh spices in this. So we have actually two types of garam masala. So one we use for certain dishes for finishing, wherein we have rose petals as well, dried rose petal. So I think that gives you a little bit of flowery or a little bit of a sweeter end to it. Dried out.
So आप गुलाब के पेटल यूज करते हैं कि रोज वाटर यूज करते हैं?
नहीं petal.
पेटल यूज तो मसाले में जाता है वो.
Yes, it is a part of the masala. Yes.
So it won't have that kind of same strong flavor that kevda would have.
No, not at all.
Like
Not
screw
at all.
pine
No.
or pandan leaves. Pandan
It's
essence
very,
will have.
it's very, very delicate. I think it just balances the whole recipe well for us.
Yeah. Shri, I'm sorry, I'm going to go for that kadaknath chicken, which you will not savor. You can have the rice at least, right?
Stuffed actually.
Give me a smaller portion.
So this is otherwise double.
Yes.
So you can see the color of the meat in this is black. That's the speciality of the kadaknath chicken. So originally it comes from MP, right? Madhya Pradesh.
But now you get actually, I believe, in every state, and
Farming
we're
it.
also promoting this. A lot of farmers are doing this, and it's quite.
खुशबू आ रही है that, you know, the roasted onion.
ये अपना पंजाबी मसाला की खुशबू
Punjabi
आती है।
masala, huh? Very nice.
घर वाला पंजाबी मसाला है।
Oh, very good.
And it has a texture of more like a mutton texture. What you'll get in this.
और इसके साथ
ये मिर्ची वाला पराठा,
मिर्ची वाला पराठा,
घी मार के।
घी मार के with a lot of tuppa. So you can have the paratha at
No,
least.
no,
little
no.
bit.
I'm too stuffed.
Huh?
I'm too stuffed.
Chef, आप?
I'm good.
You're good. I know you're good, but
I'm good.
खा भी लो कुछ. So you have the skin of the chicken as well.
Yes, with the skin. Kept the skin.
Fantastic. As you can see, this chicken is absolutely black in its color. I think ये ऐसे ही जाना है.
ऐसे ही जाना पूरा।
That chicken, that's the natural color of the meat. You know, the texture is like that kareli of the goat. You know, with that little bit of a skin on it. It's got that slight gelatinous sort of a texture. Right?
Right. The skin gives you that.
The skin gives you that gelatinous sort of texture that you get from meat that you get from lamb meat. And you're right, the flavor is also deep.
And you know, when you're eating this, you feel quite full in the sense, you know, it's not very toned down version of a normal chicken, very, very light. This is quite dense.
Yeah.
And as I said, it's very similar to a lamb satisfaction. You know, you can get deceived. You're eating lamb or you're
Yeah.
eating chicken. The masala is
Actually,
strong.
right. So if you were to do, let's say, some pieces without this chicken leg,
Yes, you will realize
you
that.
will probably be flummoxed a bit.
Yes.
If you're a hardcore meat eater, you'll know. But I think the flavor and the
Yes.
texture, the flavor is rather deep, and the texture, you know, with that gelatinous sort of smack, the smack that you get when you taste some trotters, you know,
I think the words what you're using is perfect.
the होठ जो चिपकते हैं,
हाँ जी.
you know, that's the sort of gelatinous smack that you get when you taste this Kadaknat chicken. So it's very popular.
I think it's an acquired taste, to be very frank. A lot of people are trying for the very first
For
time
the
in our
first time.
place, and I think in Bangalore it's not very easily available. Okay, so when we did this menu, so we got this as a, you know, somebody know he had it in farm.
So people are experimenting with it.
People experiment. People are actually, I do get surprised. Some people come only for this as well.
Ah,
So that's the uniqueness of this dish. Only available at Indiranagar as of now.
fantastic.
Indiranagar.
So I think this Kadaknat chicken is something that you should definitely try. And what I also like is that the masala that you've done is also quite robust, quite vivacious, quite bold. And you need that to match the temperament, the flavors of the chicken.
Of the meat, yes.
Yeah.
So this is cooking with the, you know, red meat. This is what we are doing.
So yeah, lacha paratha is very good. How's the pulao?
Pulao is good.
And the moti. There are few motis in this. You can have the pearls as well. Green peas which we are covering it up with the silver leaf.
With the varak.
Yes.
Ah, so उसमें moti bhi hai. Okay,
Yes.
fantastic. So Shri is having some of the moti. But very nice. I really am enjoying this.
So the marination what we do is we actually marinate the meat overnight in yogurt.
Ah.
The first marination. So, and of course, that's a basic marination without
Apna
yogurt.
ginger garlic and all that.
Ginger garlic is also there. The first one is ginger garlic, like you know what we
Yeah.
do for the chicken.
Like
The
a
second marination is yogurt.
As yogurt.
Overnight ginger garlic, salt, and then next day yogurt with the spices for at
Ooh.
least 2-3 hours, and then we start to cook this. And it takes actually 2 hours to cook this one.
Yeah?
Yes. So it's a slow cook. Not only, you know, of course you can pressure cook as well to speed it up, but it takes quite a while.
Because I enjoyed some of the other dishes as well, but this dish is a find for me.
Yes.
I'm glad that you insisted that we should taste the Kadaknat chicken. The flavors are quite akin to what you would taste in meat. What is this dish called?
This is Kadaknat curry.
The Kadaknat curry. So if you come to Hop's house, beer to पीना लेकिन ये Kadaknat chicken curry try कर लेना. तो लच्छे पराठे के साथ
Yeah.
super. Hey, just give me a spoon of the pulao.
We keep very small portions, like 2-3 portions in a day. Otherwise, you need to order in advance. So
I love the flavor of the saffron का दूध डाला है
Yeah.
इसमें. In the
Saffron.
saffron है. But you obviously infuse that in some milk and then ladle it on top. Shri will try the paneer. She's a paneer expert.
This paneer will melt in your mouth.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It
That's
looks
the-
like that.
That's what it is.
This is like a paneer
Chili. The texture is what we are playing on.
very soft. Huh?
Paneer is done by one of my friends, Sardarji.
It's made with buffalo milk. Huh?
This is paneer what you have been eating. Actually, you said you get a little bit texture, but normally this is the paneer what you eat as with salt.
So they would have fried it there.
They fry it, and they fry it and they put in the water. They don't want that to disintegrate in the gravy.
This is soft yet has some texture to it.
Yeah.
Which one?
This paneer
Very light.
towards the edges.
It's a comfort food, and we're going to give you a comfortable samosa also.
Oh God.
One piece only.
I'm stuffed.
One
Mancha.
बस एक ही पीस खिलाएंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं खिलाएंगे.
This paneer is very good. And that slight tikkapan of that chili. Fresh red chilies you have.
This is chili garlic sauce. This is basically our herbs, the dried herbs, and we use a
Nice
stencil.
chili.
Yeah.
So what's this? This is a samosa.
Yeah, this is our take on samosa, stuffed with a lot of corn, chili, and lots of
This
cheese,
is corn.
cheddar, there's mozzarella.
Spring roll pastry. So I think all the food here is mostly comfort food. It's like pick-me-up sort of dishes.
Finger food.
Yeah, I think that's what people want these days, no?
When you're coming out to have a casual drinking, this is the best thing to go with.
Not that I'm doing much drinking. I still have my one drink that is still here. If I was in a beer sort of a mood,
Yes.
this is the sort of food that I would like to have, right? So you're basically sipping on your beer, you're picking on some of that chili paneer, some of that mushroom brie pizza,
Umami rich.
For me, that keema was very good. अगर थोड़ा और तेल डालते हैं ना उसमें, तो that would have taken me back to Olympia in Bombay. That's the sort of
तो हम मक्खन डालते हैं.
मक्खन डालते हो ना. So I think these are sort of comfort sort of dishes. Fantastic. So are we done?
Almost. आपको भी डेजर्ट तो खिलाएंगे कि नहीं?
Dessert, okay. We have space for dessert street.
Of course, of course.
So this has turned out to be a complete tasting of sorts. It's been a while since I've met Chef Vikas Seth. We've not seen him in a long time. Enjoying the conversation, and he's also indulging us in all the food that he's doing. I think that's the thing with chefs. If you have chefs as friends, they want to make sure they stuff you till you can literally be stuffed no more. And then some more. I think there's some sweetness in that mayonnaise too. And the sweetness of the corn. And also because it's like a phyllo spring roll sort of pastry, it's quite light, no? Not like a typical samosa. I'm full today, no dinner. No dinner for me at all.
Not even nuts.
Maybe some buttermilk and some fruit. The boss is making faces you can't see her, but this is my first meal of the day. All that I had is water before this and half a cup of coffee in the morning. So I'm allowed to indulge. So what is this, chef?
This is our kulfi faluda.
Your take
Mumbai
on
style.
Mumbai style.
Yeah. So we make these noodles in house, and of course the kulfi is
The vermicelli.
Yes, vermicelli. Then sabja. Then
Basil seeds.
Yes, and then of course a lot of nuts. इसमें भी थोड़े से हमारे rose
गुलाब के
petal.
फूल है. That गुलाब थोड़े नहीं है काफी है. You can see it right on top. And this is what a kesar kulfi. Kesar pista. I think a kulfi you should always keep it for some time, right? आने के बाद.
Yes.
Before you go
Or
for
if
it.
you are holding from the stick, you know you will get a lot of juice down. Down is melted.
तो पहले वो लो.
Try
But I was
करेंगे.
scared because Shri may finish it if I allow for that to happen. It is stuck to that thing.
So this is all the juices. You have to start from this end. Yes. So this is the real flavor is here.
This is delicious.
Basically, this is the melted part down.
Tell me, why is it so thick? Apart from the condensed milk that goes into it, is there some sort of
There is a little bit of condensed milk in this.
lot of condensed milk? Not a little bit. This is, I think, milk,
This is a cream and condensed milk.
cream and condensed milk.
So actually, we create a balance with a little bit of milk, what you have in that, and this denseness what you're getting. And if you leave it, as you rightly said, for some time,
Yeah.
it will become slightly more softer and melt in your mouth.
Dip and eat.
This is what you need to do. Yes.
You have to be little.
Get all that milk, all that chef's secret of the rose petals and some pistachio. So also I think what you do is you grind the pistachio and the which goes into the kulfi as well. So
It's our favorite actually as well, personal favorite.
delicious. Sorry chef, we didn't share this with you. And I think the gulab के जो पत्ते फूल डालते हो,
उससे फर्क पड़ता है.
बहुत
आपका
फर्क
taste
पड़ता है.
जो आता है.
taste और texture भी आता है. There's a bit of a bite that you get gulab का.
Yes.
Huh? That gulab wala bite. I'm just giving my kulfi a nice bath in that milk and rose syrup and the gulab ke phool, some pistachio, some vermicelli, some basil seeds. These are fitting end to our
There's something more coming,
tasting.
but only one chocolate. You know, the one chocolate.
I think we should close here. I think we came at 2 o'clock. It's 5:15 now. I don't think even on the shoot I sit for so long. But then when you're sitting with Chef Vikas Seth and after years, 2 साल हो गए, बैठ के 1.5 साल हो गए.
more than. I'm saying during COVID we
We
were
never
only
sat.
on the phone.
Yeah.
So this we are actually meeting after the pandemic.
Well, I certainly enjoyed this. Thank you very much, Chef.
Pleasure.
Well, we've come as his guest today, so this wasn't meant to be a review, but we got carried away tasting the dishes, talking about it, etc. So if you want to check out something interesting, beer तो है यहाँ पे, but the खाना, the food that I've tasted, with the finale of this kulfi, Bombay wala, Faluda kulfi, and that Kadaknath chicken, and also that edamame hummus. And then what else did we try, Shri?
You tried that lamb.
Oh, the keema. The keema is also something that you must definitely taste. And also the cheesy pull-apart bread. The bread
Samosas.
pillows. Basically, come here, thoda beer piyo, or you have that Asian gimlet. Or khub sara khana. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Comfort food. Comfort food.
Comfort food. Come with a few friends, chill out in this space. It's the kind of space that I love. Oh yes, the pizza. Thanks for reminding me, Shri. That pizza. I think that pizza
Killed it.
was in takkar with that Kadaknath chicken.
Yes.
Basically that umami hit of the mushrooms, that mushroom sauce that was there on it, and of course the truffle oil as well. So come with a few friends, chill out over some beer, and of course the other cocktails and some great khana. I hope you enjoyed this short tasting vlog. Short bola, I don't know how long this is. My tongue is numb now after eating that kulfi. Thank you very much, Chef.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Actually, we are not done. There's another dish coming up.
Maybe वो off camera करेंगे. Bye bye.
Oh, it's already there.
Oh, it's already here.
This is our Hop's House chocolate. It's a chocolate mousse layered between the very, very soft and dark chocolate sponge. And we are finishing this with the chocolate truffles, which are made in-house. And then you have this berry coulis to go along with it. Very, very delicious, simple, soothing. Last dish.
Chef, आपने बोला last dish of the day.
हाँ, ये नहीं है?
I think this is probably the last dish of the week. कितना खाया हमने? हाँ?
ऐसा तो नहीं है.
We've eaten so much. So there's some chocolate truffles there.
Yes, yes.
What is that? Pistachio?
Yes, we love our pista.
We love your pista. So coincidentally, chef is also from Amritsar. खाने पीने वाले लोग हैं.
खाने पीने वाले हैं.
हाँ?
And it's a perfect thing, no? You have just arrived from Amritsar. Like,
Yeah.
you have to visit this place, no? That's the
do it.
connection.
The first
I
place
think
that
that's
we've actually
Amritsar
visited.
connection.
That's the Amritsar connection. Fantastic. So let's try some of that. Hop's House
Chocolate.
chocolate. Little bit. I love the stencil work that you do here.
Yes.
So there's a combination here of some dark chocolate
Yes.
and some lighter chocolate.
So it's a mousse slice cake
Ah.
with the berries
Yeah.
and with the truffle. So now
Ah.
what you are having is one tone, like you know, it's all chocolate. Now the
Yeah.
moment you mix with the berry, you will get that tartness along with it.
Ah.
And the moment you are going to also add in your mouth one of the truffles,
Ah.
it's going to be just real chocolate finish.
The berry coulis also helps break the chocolatey
Yes.
intensity.
Yes.
If at all you want to break it, I don't know why you would want to break it. Chocolate is such a lovely thing.
After having the truffle, you need it maybe.
That truffle is going to be intense because इसमें cocoa भी होगा. Is that cocoa dust?
Yes. It's coated with that.
There's dark chocolate coated with cocoa dust. So it's a sort that is thick and slightly bitter. So उसके बाद you definitely need some of the refreshing flavors of the berry coulis, and then you dive back to the chocolate. So Chef, thank you once again.
Pleasure is all mine.
Fantastic.
Finally we got you here.
Finally we came here. Hop's House has been open for a while, so Chef's been asking me to come. We've been traveling, shooting, etc.
Yes.
But I'm so happy that we came here today. मेरा एक ये मानना है कि जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो उसका एक टाइम निकलता है. तो आज ये टाइम था आपके साथ मिलना और Hop's House का खाना टेस्ट करना.
Amazing. Pleasure.
I hope you enjoyed this. Not quick, slightly long tasting. But if you did, give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the second channel already, do consider subscribing. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Thank you.